Okay, I have a KIK lock received from Jerry. It says LSDA on the key. Do not duplicate. It has a restricted keyway, I believe. The lock does work. Hangs up a little bit every once in a while. Okay, it is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. Okay, let's open her up. And let's try this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Let's use the top of the keyway. Let's use light tension. There's a little bit on 6 and 5. There's 4. 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the back again. There's 2 again. Okay, pin 6 or 5, I'm sorry. Okay, pin 6. Okay, there's pin 5, pin 3, pin 1, okay, pin 4 as we go into the back. Okay, pin 6. Okay, see if we can set pin 6. Okay, there's pin 6. Okay, there it is, open on pin 6. Had to set the pin up just a little higher. Alright, let's get the clip off the back. Let's see the best way to do this. Okay, let's try it this way and hope for the best. Okay, there's pin 6. Pin 5. Pin 4. Pin 3. Pin 2. Pin 1. Okay, all 6 pins are in and working. Okay, pin 1 and 2 is serrated, 3 is serrated, 4 is serrated. 5 is serrated. Okay, we dumped number 5 and 6 out at the same time. Okay, let's take a look at the okay, all pin chambers are threaded. I just noticed that I believe it's pin 3. Take a look at pin 3. Okay, pin 3 is a little bit small for the opening. Okay, and every one of these have been threaded also. Okay, you can see the threading. In all 6 chambers. Okay, let's see if we can take a little bit closer look at the pins. Okay, like I say, this number 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom pins are serrated. This one's a little bit smaller at the top. This is a serrated type spool. This is a serrated pin. This is similar to a serrated spool. Okay, on 4, 5, and 6, spooled key pin, serrated key pin, serrated key pin. This is serrated. This is another type of weird cut spool. This is another serrated pin. It's a little smaller on the side where it went against the key pin. Okay, appreciate this lock, Jerry. Thank you very much for sending it to me. It is a 6 pin. I don't remember whether I said that or not. But thanks for watching. Please stay out of trouble. Please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again.